Is it on? I can't tell. My eyesight's getting very weak. I'm having a very difficult time with my senses. My eyes don't work. I can't hear very well. My sense of smell is going as well. So is my taste buds. They're going. Either way, I've run out of food about a day and a half or so ago. I'm very, very hungry. I've noticed that as we're going by, I'll see some occasional seabirds out there. I think it's the rare white albatross. It's my hopes that I might be able to catch one. If I do, I'll eat it. That should be some good nutrition. I wasn't quite sure how I was going to get to birds, but I think I've come up with a device, a scheme that might just work. Using this, a piece of dental floss, and an old banana peel. I'm hoping to attract the birds with the dental floss and the banana peel, and that it will entice them to come close enough so I can grab them. Let's give it a shot. Birds. The birds. I have a banana peel for you, birds. It's bound to work eventually. I'll just give it a bit longer. It's typical, ain't it? You see a bird every 15 minutes. Now all of a sudden you don't see any at all. I think they're getting wise to my shenanigans. I know. They could sense it. Birds have an innate sense of knowing when they're being tricked into being eaten. Except for chickens, because they're stupid. I'll just give it a few more minutes. We'll see if it works. I'm so hungry. Alright, this isn't bloody working. I'm freezing. I'm sure the birds are having a good laugh at my expense. I assure you I have not given up. I have not given up. I will persevere, and I will emerge victorious. Man in the sea. I shall prove to be victorious. I may be down, but I'm not out. I mean, I'm out because I'm not in. It sounds a bit strange that I'm not in and or out. I mean, I'm not in or out. I mean, I'm outdoors because I'm not inside. And I'm not really down because I'm going back inside now. Oh look, a bird.